Hi, welcome back. Welcome to my channel, Techie Krish. In our previous discussion, we discussed different MCQs on assertion and reasoning, and this time I am going to discuss some MCQs on computer networks. So, as you know, computer network topic is the part of CBSE computer science curriculum as well as informatics practices curriculum, both. Both are not so identical, but uh, networking is there. Some questions are uh, common and some are different. I would like to assess both the students to look into the syllabus curriculum of their class, IP and computer science, and accordingly they decide what topic is in informatics practices and networking and what are the topics which are in computer science computer networks. So let's move to our MCQs, and in the end of the MCQs part 2 of computer networks, I share the entire document with you so that you can practice on the MCQs of networking. So let's move to the document. So here, this is the document where I have created some MCQs on network. I hope you would like it. So let's start. The essential before dive into these MCQs, that you should have the complete idea of computer networks, means topology, kind of network, and your circuit switching, packet switching. You should have the idea, TCP, IP, and all. Then we are moving to the questions. So here, if you know networking, first question is the acronym of ARPANET stands for. So the ARPANET stands for Advanced Research for Protocols Advanced Network Agency for Research Protocols, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, Advanced Advancement in Research and Projects. So out of these four options, so the full form of this ARPANET is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. So I'm going to highlight this. Now the next question is the acronym of NSFNet stands for National Self-Financed Network, National Science Foundation Network, National Science for Network, National Setup for Foundation Network. So the full form of NSFNet is National Science Foundation Network, means B is the option. Now third question. In context of computer networks, the meaning of switching technique is technique of sending data from one node to another, technique for changing switches of network devices, techniques of shifting computers from one network to another, technique of switching data from one network to a computer. So I must go with the option techniques of sending data from one node to another. So option A is the correct or suitable option, I think. And whatever I am telling you here, I am not making sure that I may be wrong, just because I'm doing this in hurry. So somehow I skip the correct answer, but 99% I am making sure that I'm whatever I'm going to discuss here are correct answers to the belief of my knowledge. Okay, now the fourth question: in which of the following switching techniques a dedicated path is established between the sender and receiver for the entire duration of the communication? Circuit switching, packet switching, network switching, and physical switching. Circuit switching, I think, the correct answer. Now, question number 5. In which of the following switching techniques the data is divided into packets and each packet follows its own path? So this is very clear that since the data is divided into packets, so this is obvious that packet switching is the right option for this question. Now next question: dash is reliable but can be inefficient because the dedicated path is reserved even if no data is being transmitted. So I should again circuit switching is the best, and reliable can be insufficient because the dedicated path is reserved, definitely. So we should go with circuit switching as its answer. Now the next question is: it is more efficient and flexible, but packets can arrive out of order or get lost requiring retransmission. So in this case, circuit switching, is it the correct option? No. Packet switching option could be. Network switching, no. Physical switching, not possible. So you should go with option B. Now the question number 8 refers to the maximum rate at which data can be transmitted over a network connection in given amount of time. So you should know that maximum rate of at which data can be transmitted is known as the bandwidth. This is the correct answer. So B option is the correct answer. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a unit of bandwidth? ABPS, KBPS, GBPS, MBPS. So out of these four, first one, ABPS, is the correct answer of this question, that is ABPS. What is the unit? we don't know, we have never heard about ABPS. Mbps is the bandwidth. Gbps means kilobits per second, gigabits per second, megabits per second. So these are the options, and these options are prevalent. So ABPS is the answer, which is not the unit of bandwidth. So we should go with option A. Now question number 10. The term guided media refers to print media, social media, wired media, wireless media. Guided media means when there is a cable. So this is wired media, and that is why option C is the correct answer. Which of the following is the fastest wired medium? Coaxial, twisted pair cable, fiber optic cable, USB cable. So out of these four, the fastest wired medium is not other than fiber optic. So option C I'll go with. So C is the correct answer. Which of the following wired media is the easiest to install for LAN? Coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, fiber optic cable, and USB cable. So I'll go with coaxial cable is the medium. Coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, and fiber optic cable. So I should go with twisted pair cable for install. Easiest easiest way to install LAN is the twisted pair cable. Now question number 13. Which of the following wired media is not recommended for economically setup of a LAN? Coaxial is allowed, twisted pair is also allowed, but fiber optic cable is not allowed because this is not economical for every local area network. So fiber optic cable is the correct option of this question. Now question number 14. The term unguided media refers to printed media, print media, social media, wired media, wireless media. So when there is no wire, it means this is unguided sort of thing, unguided media. So I should go with option D, wireless media. Now question number 15. Which of the following is not a wireless medium? Infrared, radio waves, microwaves, satellite. So satellite is basically a device, so it itself transmits the signals, and that is why I think I must go with option number 15. Option number D, option D is the correct answer. Yes, option D is the correct answer, because this is device, not guided or unguided wireless. Question number 16. Which of the following is a wireless medium? Bluetooth, satellite, Wi-Fi, infrared, wireless medium. So infrared, satellite device, Wi-Fi. So the following is a wireless medium. I must go with infrared, option G. Infrared rays is the correct answer. Now the question number 17. Which of the following wireless media is used for very long distance communication which may cover multiple cities or more? So I'll go with, because you must have seen that the microwaves are used for very long distance communication. So to communicate with long distance, maybe cities to cities, microwaves are the options. So I'll go with option C. Option C. Now the question number 18. Which of the following is used to short distance communication and cannot cross the obstacles? Infrared rays, radio waves, microwaves, all of these. So as far as communication which cannot cross the obstacles, radio waves can cross the obstacles. They can penetrate any kind of obstacle. Similarly, microwaves can penetrate any kind of obstacle, but infrared rays cannot penetrate the obstacle. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 19. On the side of the sender, modem works as a modulator, because when you send any information from one end to another, so from sending side the data is modulated, then used to travel through the medium, then on the other end the information is demodulated. So here the answer is A. Modulator is the answer. Now question number 20, and this is just opposite of question number 19. So here we will go with demodulator on the side of the receiver side, because one is sender side and another is receiver side. So over here we'll use demodulator. So this is how we can initiate a networking MCQs. So I'm giving you 20 MCQs on networks, and rest of the MCQs I'll share with you in my next video. So just go through them, and for a next video you will have to wait for day 1. So in my next video you'll be having more MCQs on network. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe it and share with your friends, and drop a comment if you like the videos. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.